What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ntako the Babes Mavas. So thank you very much for returning subscribers, and if you are new here, please do make sure that you subscribe. Today I tried the wing boil and I used all the ingredients that are on the screen, and yeah man, I'm just gonna let the video play on its own because it is too fast. If I am going to do a voiceover, I'll have to be too fast. But then yeah, enjoy. Do not forget to subscribe. Bye.
Yeah, flexing on my exes and my Model X. Pretty little, skinny little bitty body Model X. Some of y'all ain't never had no real bitch and it shows. I keep it 100 from my head down to my toes. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the move. Touchdown in my hometown, got nothing to lose. I am on my own now, I am in control now. I need you to go now, I can fix my own crown. Back up on my bullshit, back up on the scene. Don't dealing with you, don't know how to deal with me. I'm fucking with you, don't know how to love me. I'm dealing with you, so I'm back, yeah. Bitch, back on my bully, back on my dish, you in the studio. Back on tequila, back on the strippers, all the groupie hoes. This could get ugly, I'm petty, I want you bad out of smoke. I'm coming crazy, baby, baby, one thing that you should know. Little baby, bounce back, yeah, act like you a stranger, yeah. Memory loss, I play it like that. Call your boys, I'm getting about that. Faded up to 42 quarters, too important. Blue dream inside the roll up, hold up.